In this video I will show you how you can check the tire size on your car so you can change the tires easily. When you go to the shop you will need to know the size of your tire, and you really don't want to take the tire out from the car. And this number here, 175-65R14, this number is the specifications of the tire, the size, the thickness, the width, everything is there. So that's not that detail, you have to write it on a piece of paper, or even better, take a picture of it. Many cars have a few options for tires, so it doesn't always have to be the same tire to install, but you have to check the specifications of your car and the owner's manual to make sure that you get tires that actually can work in your car. If you install tires that are too wide, you could damage the suspensions part, so really it's very important to install tires that are made for your car. A lot of details here about maximum pressure also. You could even find the balancing, these weights that they install from the shop. If you take it to a shop to replace the tires, you don't need to worry about the size. They know the size, they can check the size themselves, and it's fine. But this is in case you want to buy the tires online or from another store and you take the tires to someone to install them later. This is so you don't buy the wrong size of tires. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps someone. These tires are supposed to be the economical ones, silent ones, but I'm not sure about that.